Alright, today we're going to learn how to take a function such as this one, and we're going to learn how to put it, we already know how to put it in our function table, but today what you need to know is how to take it from the function table and put it on a graph. Okay? You need to go from function table to a graph. Okay? Yesterday we learned input, output. Now we're going to take our output, stick it on a graph, and look at our result. Okay? Now the first thing we have to do is take this function and put it in a function table. So we did yesterday, we drew our function tables. Okay? Now what goes right here? N. What goes here?
N plus 6.
N plus 6. What goes here?
Plus N.
F of N. Now this is just like yesterday. 0, 1, and 2. Okay? Now we need to plug it in. I plug 0 in for N. 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. So now that's what we did yesterday. Putting it in a function table. But our step today, okay, are you with me so far? Is to take our data, make it into points, put it on a graph. Okay? Now we're going to have 3 points here. We're going to have 3 points. Y'all remember putting points on a graph? So our first point is going to be this. What does it say? 0, 6. Okay, that's our first point. What's our second one? 1, 7. And what's our third one?
2, 8.
2, 8.
2, 8.
Okay, so we just took the data out of the function table and stuck the first number and the last number into a point. And we did that over and over. 3 points. Now what we're going to do is draw us a graph. This is a coordinate plane. You remember learning what a coordinate plane was? Now we're going to graph this, this, and this on the coordinate plane and then connect them and we'll be done. Okay, so 0, left and right, up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is this point right here. Okay? The second point, 1, 7, means I go over 1, up 7. Okay? There's my second one. And my last one, I go over 2, up how many?
8.
Over 2, up 8. Now all I have to do is connect them, and you just took what's off a function table, made it ordered pairs, and then graphed it. Alright, so just to make sure you understand the lingo, this is the ordered pairs right here. So when I tell you to make ordered pairs, you know these are what they are. The first number has to do with x. The second one corresponds with y. So if I ask you what's x equal? X equals 1, or x equals 0, or x equals 2. What's y equal? Y equals 7, or 6, or 8. This is the ordered pairs. This is the function table, and this is the graph. Okay? On each problem, they want you to take a function table, make it ordered pairs, and your final result should be a graph like that one.
Yeah, start.
Alright, now on this one, here's our function, and we've got to graph this function. But first we got to make, they give us the numbers 1, 2, they give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, so we're going to have how many ordered pairs?
5.
Okay, and then we have to put it on our coordinate plane so that it'll be a graph. So we've got -3, 2 times -3 minus 4, that's -6 minus 4 is -10. Okay? 0 times 2 minus 4 is -4. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 4 is 0. 3.5 times 2 is 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 times 2 is 12 minus 4 is 8. So your points are 0, or -3, -10, 0, -4, 2, 0.
3.5.
That's right. 3,
6 and
4, 5,
6 and 8.
3, 6, and 8.
6, 8.
Okay.
6, 8.
So I've got -3, 1, 2, 3, and -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I've got 0, -4. Then I got 2, 0. Then I've got 3.5, 1, 2. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. 3.5 is in the middle. So 3.5 and up 1, 2, 3. And then 6A. 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All the way up here. So now you connect them all, and you have graph this function. That's what the graph of this function looks like. So today, we learned how to graph a function using a function table. And 4 and 8 are, right? Now remember, corresponding angles are congruent as well. So, to review, alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and corresponding angles are all what? They're all congruent. So just now you learned the definition of congruent, which means it's equal. You learned what alternate interior, alternate exterior, corresponding, vertical, and the transversal is.